Hello everybody, this is Skee Ball here, and you might be wondering at this point, why? Just why? But also, you may be wondering, Skee Ball, why are you sitting clearly in the dark with shades on? Well, one, it's because my light in here is very bright, and I just got back from getting dinner at Arby's. And Arby's is another 50 miles from my house. And it was very dark in that time coming back to my house. So, I'm wearing these for that. But also, because today, I wanted to get serious. That's right. Today, Skee Ball of Vintage Toast Productions is getting serious. Very, very serious. Today, we are going to be talking about the very serious topic of veganism. Veganism is a religion where people worship vegetables and also eat them. It is very important. It is very close and personal to several people, including myself. Clearly, I personally identify as a level 8 celery. That's right, I am celery. But I am also a human. But I am also celery. In celebration of Turkey Day coming soon and the slaughtering of several innocent turkeys, I thought I would have my own little celebration with the vegan propaganda movie titled Free Birds. What in the heck is Free Birds, you might ask? Well, let me tell you about it. Free Birds is a 2013 animated movie starring Owen Wilson Jr. and Woody Harrelson and George Takei. Other people were in the movie too. In the movie, Reggie is a turkey who stands out from the rest of the turkeys, and he warns the rest of the turkeys that the farmer of the farm that they live on is actually just fattening them up with corn. Reggie turns out to be right. Reggie says they're being fattened up to be eaten on Thanksgiving as he looks upon the farmer's dining room table and sees a turkey being sliced open. What happens next is truly terrifying. People who happen to work for the President of the United States chooses Reggie to be a special pardoned turkey for Thanksgiving because his daughter really wanted him to choose Reggie. So anyways, Reggie is saved, but all the other turkeys, they died. Reggie enjoys his life as a presidentially pardoned turkey in the comfort of his own room with on-demand TV and loads of pizzas. But then, something strange happens. A Vietnam veteran turkey named Jake comes in to swoop Reggie and say that they are part of some type of group to free the turkeys. Hence the name, Free Birds. Roll credits. Jake informs Reggie that they need to go find a time machine so they can go back in time and stop turkeys from being eaten on Thanksgiving, and they want to go to the very first Thanksgiving of all time. And so, Jake and Reggie break into this tunnel underneath the White House, I would assume, and they find the time machine just there. They also find an Auntie Anne's, which sounds really good right now. But anyways, they go through this tunnel and they find the time machine and they hop inside of it and they get transported to another dimension. Also, the time machine looks like an egg, which is obviously a metaphor for Reggie's rebirth. They go back in time for the very first Thanksgiving, and Reggie gets saved from a bunch of hunters by a girl turkey. And this is when I stopped watching the movie because I got really bored. You know what's amazing? When these movies promise so much in the first 20 minutes with such good jokes and clever humor, but then they decide that starting from the second act and everything afterwards has to completely freaking suck! As if to say, that's enough. Is it enough? Is it enough? I don't think so. And so that's why today I wanted to demonstrate my beliefs as a level 8 celery and tell you all to buy tofurkeys instead of regular turkeys on Thanksgiving and bring it to your regular family Thanksgiving dinner and make all your family very uncomfortable as they watch you break open this fake turkey and eat it in front of them saying, this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff.